Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you a tutorial on the Shein affiliate program. Sometimes, making money online can be easy if you join an affiliate program like Shein's. You can earn by sharing links and coupons with others. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for Shein affiliate. Next, click on the official affiliate link to open the Shein affiliate page. Now, click on Sign Up to start your registration. Then choose Continue with Google and select the Google account you want to use. Click on Continue to proceed. After that, you'll see the terms and conditions. Read them carefully, then click on Accept. Next, select I have read and click Accept again to complete the agreement. Once your application is approved, you will see a welcome message. You might also get a small welcome gift as a new affiliate. Now you can start sharing your affiliate link or code. There is an option to share to earn, and you can earn extra money, for example $3 for each referral. You will also get access to coupons for new users, sometimes up to 60% off. And in some deals even 90% off. For example, a wig deal might offer 40% off plus a 60% off coupon for new users. You can share the link or coupon code on social media, blogs, YouTube, or directly with friends. Keep track of your clicks and sales in the affiliate dashboard to see how much you're earning. Over time, you can use your referrals and links to create a steady side income. The more you share and promote, the more rewards and bonuses you can get from Shein. That's it. You are now ready to start earning with the Shein affiliate program and make the most out of your links and coupons. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.